Hello everyone, my name is Kevin and welcome to my class in Think Academy. Well, today let's see a very fun question together. And the question's on the screen, so let's take a look at the question. So right over here we have a numeric table. In the table there are a lot of numbers such as 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then we move on to the next row, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and the numbers go on and on and on forever. So the question is now that we have the row and column position of a number and we need to get the value of this number. All right, so everybody, let's think about the question. How can we get the value of the number in row 17, column 1? Are we going to write out all the numbers one by one? Is everyone with me? So we know the table stops at 26, but we all know that the next number should be 27, then 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, then 33, 34, and so on. Should we do the question that way, by listing all the numbers one by one? Show me a thumbs up gesture if you think so, and if you disagree with me, show me your thumbs down. What do you think, everyone? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Exactly. We can't answer the question that way. That is too hard. It's just too time consuming. It takes a lot of time, so there should be some shortcut, and that's also why we're here. So everyone, let's take a look. Look at the number 9. We all know that the number 9 is the very first number, so let's label it as the first. And 10 is the second number, so I'll label that second. 11 is the third, 12 is the fourth, 13 fifth, and the sixth is 14. So what do you think, everyone? Now we get the rankings of every single number. The first, second, and third, those are the rankings of every single number. So everyone, is there any pattern in between the ranking of the number and the value of that number? Do they have any relationship? Anyone? Again, is there any relationship between the ranking of the number and the value of that number? What do you think, everyone? Ted, what do you think? 8 more? Oh, 8 more? Very good. Each number is 8 more than the rank. As you guys can see, 9 is 8 more than the first, then 10 is 8 more than the second, 11 is 8 more than the third, and so on. Exactly. So far, the value of the number, it's always 8 more than the ranking of the number. Okay, so read the number 17, and I have a question. 17, is that the ranking of the number or the position of a number? Everyone, what do you think? If you think 17 is the ranking of a number, show me the number 1. And if you think that 17 is the position of a number, show me the number 2. What do you think, everyone? Number 1 ranking, number 2 position. What do you think, everybody? Very good. 17, that's a row position of a number. So with the position of row 17, column 1, can we get the ranking of the number? Perfect. We just do the number of the full rows before our number is 16 multiplied by 6 numbers per row equals 96. So we have 16 full rows multiplied by 6 numbers in each of those rows, and that gives us 96 total numbers. So the last ranking in the row just before our number is 96. Then the first column in our row is ranking 97. And that's the one that we want the value for. Since we know that our number is in the 97th ranking, and we know that its value is the ranking plus 8, our number must be 97 plus 8, or 105. Is that clear, everyone? Now this is how we solve this problem. Let's do a recap of the question, everyone. So what's the takeaway? What have you learned from this lesson? So first of all, we're given the row and column numbers, so we first find the ranking of the number by multiplying the number of columns in the table, which is 6, by the number of full rows before the number, that's 16. Then we add the column position of 1 to find the ranking of our number, which is 97. Then we finally add 8 to the ranking to find the value of our number 105. So basically, this question is talking about the relationship between these three things: the position of the number, the ranking of the number, and the value of the number. And that's all for this question. Thank you.